Hello everyone. Today we want to talk about handling a slowly changing dimension SCD Type 1 with the data lake. You are tasked with implementing a slowly changing dimensions. Type 1 SCD Type 1, unlike Type 2 where you keep historical records, SCD Type 1 overwrites the old data with the new data and does not track history. And what is the business case? Your company has a customer table that stores customer information like name, address, and phone number. When a customer's detail change, like address or phone number, the new details should overwrite the old details. There is no need to track historical data. Only the current state matters. We expected have output. The final data lake should reflect the updated customer information with all data being overwritten. There will be no history of the previous address or phone number. Okay, let's start the code. And first step is create a Spark session. And now define the schema. And now initial customer data, bronze layer. Customer data, this code create a delta table with the two initial records of customer Alice and Bob with their address and phone number. First of all, create a data frame. And now write the initial data to a delta table. And now read the data from the delta table to confirm it is written. Okay, and now I want to simulate the updates to customer data in silver layer. Updated customer data, new information is simulated where both Alice and Bob have changed their address and phone number. And now create a data frame for updated data. And show the updated data. And now perform the merge to update the delta table using SCD Type 1. Overwrite old records. and now I use the merge for overwrite on all the records. And now read and display the updated delta table to confirm the overwrite. Okay. Here we use a data lake's merge functionality to match customer ID between the old data and the new data. When a match update all clause overwrite the old records with the new records based on SCD Type 1 behavior. After the merge, we read the update delta table and display it to confirm that the old customer data has been overwritten with the new customer data. Thanks for watching.